Hey there, fellow bug hunters and pen testers. Are you on the lookout for a powerful tool to enhance your vulnerability scanning capabilities? Look no further, because we've got just the solution for you, Nuclei. The automatic vulnerability scanner. Nuclei is an incredible tool that helps you uncover vulnerabilities in web applications quickly and efficiently. Whether you're an experienced bug hunter or a passionate pen tester, Nuclei can significantly boost your productivity. To get started with Nuclei, head over to its official GitHub repository at GitHub. Projective Nuclei. There, you'll find all the information you need, including detailed documentation, examples, and more. Now, let's talk about installation. Before you can start harnessing the power of Nuclei, ensure you have Go programming language installed on your machine. Once that's taken care of, execute the following command. Go install the GitHub Projective Nuclei and become Nuclei latest. Congratulations! With Nuclei successfully installed, you're ready to start uncovering vulnerabilities. To get a sense of its various functionalities, use the H flag, like this, the Nuclei H. This will display a helpful list of available commands and options. So, what are you waiting for? Start harnessing the power of Nuclei today and take your bug hunting and penetration testing skills to new heights. If you found this information useful, don't forget to share it with your fellow cybersecurity enthusiasts. Stay curious and stay safe.